Moshe Rabbeinu calls his first son Gershom. Why? Because I was a stranger in a different land, a play on words, so he calls him Gershom. He calls his second son Eliezer, because Elokei avi be'ezri vayatzileni mecherev paroi. Because the Kodesh Baruch Hu helped me. Again, a play on words, Elokei avi be'ezri, Eliezer. And he saved me from the sword of Paroi, but asks the Maharil Diskin. First, he escaped from Paro, and only then he came to a different land. So the first son should be called Eliezer, and the second should be named Gershom. So why did he switch it around? It explains the Maharil Diskin. When Moshe Rabbeinu got to Yisro, he was afraid. If he will tell them he's running away, he's escaping from Paro, who knows if they're going to want to keep him there? It's dangerous. More than that, maybe they're going to actually say, well, we got you now. Paro is going to give us a nice chunk of money if we hand you over back to Paro. So therefore, Moshe didn't say anything. He just says, I'm in a different land. So he called his son Gershom. I'm a stranger in a different land. Later, when he has Eliezer, and he is in the hotel on his way traveling, and he circumcises him and he names him Eliezer, that's when he's far away from the house of Yisro. He's not afraid that he's going to do them anything, and therefore he calls him Eliezer only then. That is why he switched the normal order and called his first son Gershom and the second one Eliezer.